Hello everyone, welcome to AA Software Technologies. From today's session onwards, we will discuss about Docker tool. What is meant by Docker? Docker is an open source platform used for build and ship and run applications inside lightweight and portable containers. Okay, a Docker container it consists of application code, dependencies, libraries, configuration file, and environmental variables, etc. First, we have the source code, right? Using source code, we using Maven, we are building the package. Okay, using package, we are building Docker image. Okay, using Docker image, we are building the containers. Okay, the application is the form of the microservices, the form of the containers. Benefits of Docker: it is a lightweight, okay, like you uses few resources than virtual machines, and portable, runs on same or any OS, and fast startup. The containers it will start up within seconds and easy to scale. We can scale the based on the load, and developer friendly. It simplifies development and testing and deployment. Now let's discuss about Docker architecture. Okay, Docker it follows client and server architecture. The client it will send commands. Okay, then the request it will go to Docker Daemon. Okay, from Docker Daemon again it will redirect the request to Docker APIs. Okay, Docker APIs. If you see here, Docker client. Okay, in Docker client, the CLI is present. Okay, then Docker daemon. Okay, suppose we are executing some Docker commands. That request will go for Docker daemon. Okay, it is a Docker D process. Okay, then it will redirect the request to images containers network in the form of a Docker APIs. Key components. Now let's discuss key components in Docker architecture. First is Docker engine. It is a core part of Docker platform. It includes Docker daemon, Docker CLI, REST API. Now let's discuss about Docker daemon. Docker daemon it acts as a background process for running on the host machines. It includes Docker images, Docker containers, run a Docker containers and manages networks and volumes. Okay, it listens Docker API request from the client. The Docker CLI. Docker CLI it is a command line interface. Okay, using this command line interface, we are writing the commands. Then Docker API. It is a RESTful API used for communication between CLI or even remote clients like Daemon. It enables automation integrations with other tools. Client server model, we already discussed, right? Okay. He executes the commands in Docker CLI. Then it will go to Docker daemon. Okay. From daemon to again it is redirecting request to Docker containers, volumes, etc. Images, volumes, etc. That's about today's session. Next session we'll discuss about Docker installation on Linux server. Thanks for joining.